Hey guys, I'm out here with the Stoeger XM1 Scout. I just got this one back from Stoeger. I actually had another unit that started having an issue with it. The cocking lever was actually seized up. I wasn't able to load it. I sent it in on warranty repair and they just sent me a whole new unit. The original one that I had shot a really nice group. I got maybe 500, 600 rounds out of it, and then had that issue. It happened all of a sudden. I was just out shooting and it wouldn't load the next round. So Stoeger was really quick to get me a new one. Really good customer service from my experience, so no issues there. I think overall these are great rifles, especially for the price. I've taken it out squirrel hunting and been successful with it, and then just target shooting out like this and plinking at metal targets. It's a lot of fun. It is a little loud without a moderator on the end. I need to print a new moderator for it, and then it quiets it down enough to a similar level to the Notos, so you can be backyard friendly when you're near neighbors. Anyway, let me shoot a 5-shot group and see how she does. Alright, so I just finished up the 5-shot group with the Stoeger XM1 Scout. I'm going to switch over to this Notos. I did move the target up a little bit for the Notos. This is about 35 yards. I walked off the last one and we were actually at about 45 yards for the Stoeger. So I'll show you the results here in a bit. That one there, I was shooting at the top middle target grouping there for the Stoeger. I'll shoot around with the Notos here. We've got our 4-position magazine holder on this, along with the metal pick rail kit. It's got M-lock down the side and across the bottom, so you can mount up a bipod. Looks super clean. This one does just have a 3X prism optic on it. This one here had the Athlon, I believe it's a 4-12, and not a first focal plane, but it's the Athlon Neos. 4-12 by 40. Pretty nice clear scope. It's got a good advantage over this little 3X prism, but I think the Notos, especially 10 yards closer, will hold a pretty good group. It is getting dark, so I'm gonna run through a couple 5-shot groups with it on the left and right targets, or the dots there, and see how it compares. Alright guys, I'm back at the car. This was the Notos at 30 yards, and then this was the 45-yard group. I was aiming here. I'm just a little bit to the left on that one. Pretty similar, honestly. The Notos was 10 yards closer, but with a 3X optic. It's shooting a slower speed, of course. That Stoeger has a lot more pop to it, but other than that, pretty nice backyard plinkers for both of them. I'd say the Stoeger is definitely more suited to hunting, if that's what you want it for.